Okay, that's it. We're ready to fire. All we gotta do is put the valve covers on and put fuel in it. Okay, boys and girls, what we got here is the front tire off the Dragster. We're gonna change this tire. Now, it's a two-piece aluminum rim. It's bolted together with a bunch of bolts. And there's a big giant O-ring in there that it squeezes on. And they also glued the old tire in with really strong bead sealer. The person that I bought this from told me that they basically never changed the front tires in the 16 years that they've been running it. So the bead glue that's on here is pretty old and pretty on there. So we'll see how it goes. First, let's find a damn bucket for all of these bolts. Ah, here we go. Ah, perfect.
Full auto. Rapid fire. Rapid fire.
This one has almost no glue on it. Nice. I guess that makes sense because the other one was the one that leaked. And they probably put a bunch of stop leak through it. That might be why. This one, as you can see, was glued. Like, I had to use 2 pry bars, a hammer, and a Bessie clamp to get that apart. There's our O-ring. Sorry for all the noise, guys. The old mining farm is ripping at full blast right now. And she's like 30 degrees Celsius today, so you're gonna have to deal with the fan noise, much like my apprentices. Anyways, got the dragster in the shop, got it up on stands, got the cover on it, keep her dust free. We just took off the wheels, took off the front tires because I got new tires for the front. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send these things out to the polish shop, which is a local polishing company here in Vancouver. And well, let's just say they do the best aluminum polishing I've ever seen. So consider this the before. This is what they look like before. Okay. I mean, they're not bad. They're still clean. They look decent. There's nothing too bad about them. When I get these back, they're gonna look like brand new.